Good morning, everybody. This is Dr. Blumenthal again here in the Bethesda office with Natural Transplants. And we have Telegra here this morning.
Yes,
good morning.
Good morning.
You all right?
How are you? Yes.
Telegra's a little nervous, as most people are. That's okay.
Yep.
Telegra, tell us a little bit about your story. What brings you to us?
Okay, so I haven't had edges for the past 20 years. I had a relaxer when I was younger and they broke off. It didn't grow back. So for some time I was contemplating what to do. And I did my research online.
Good.
And I found...
It's important.
Yes, that you did transplants.
Yeah.
And I got a quote. I did a FaceTime video with your partner. And got a quote for the past 2 years. I had to sit and think about it. Like, do I really want to do this? Then I saw other African American women who had done it and had success. And I was kind of encouraged and inspired to be brave enough to get it done. So I'm here today to get it done.
Excellent, excellent. Thank you. Hello, Telegra. How are you?
I'm well.
You doing okay?
Yep.
So
almost done.
we finished up the strip earlier, put all the sites in, you had lunch.
Yes.
You dozed off for a while, went earlier today. How you feeling right now?
I'm feeling good.
All right, Telegra, we have finished.
Yay!
How do you feel?
I feel good.
Yeah?
I'm excited.
You're excited? You got a big
Yes,
smile there
yes,
for the second half of the day.
Yes.
Overall, how was everything?
It was good.
Yeah?
The needle part it hurt.
Be honest. You can be honest. Yep.
And you know, the lidocaine.
Yeah.
But that was the hardest part.
Okay.
And then
And you made it through.
Yep. And being
Good.
patient with the whole procedure.
Good.
And sitting in the right position, making sure my
Awesome.
body's structured neatly and nicely. But it overall went well.
Awesome. And you were a lot of fun today. So. All right, and we are thrilled to have Telegra back. Telegra, welcome back to us.
Thank you.
Yeah, we had you up in the Maryland office about a year ago, and we'll put up the before pictures. But you look incredible. It looks awesome. Tell me about over the last year how your experience was and how you feel.
My experience was beautiful. And I feel great. You know,
Yeah.
it took some time growing out, and
Yeah.
then I had to monitor it and watch it and
Yeah.
make sure that I, watch this sprout. So it was a beautiful experience. I'm grateful, and I would definitely do it again.
Awesome. It can
if
be.
I have to,
It
but
can
I
be.
don't have to.
You don't have to. Good. It can be hard waiting sometimes. Sometimes you sort of want it to come in so fast and so bad. It can be frustrating, but the wait is worth it, and it looks fantastic. Yeah. It looks great.
Thank you.
Has it sort of changed? How you feel, what you can and can't do. Sort of talk about that a little bit.
Oh yes, I'm super excited. It changed how I get my hair done.
Yeah.
It changed how I am able to go natural now. I don't always have to wear wigs, so
Right.
I can put my hair up in a ponytail.
Yeah.
And it's just a good experience.
That's great. That's about 3 seconds or so. And then look to your left. Perfect. Awesome. Any problems with the scar in the back? Any issues with pain or hiding it or anything?
Nope.
Okay.
Everything went well.
Good.
It went well. So it's growing
Good.
back. The hairs over there are growing back. They're longer than the ones in the front.
Yep. Well, fantastic. I love it. You look fantastic.
Thank
big
you.
smile on you. Always have smile, but it's even bigger smile now.
Yes, I'm
and
grateful.
it looks superb.
Thank you.
Congratulations! Your edgiversary has been a success, and
Yes.
again thank you for doing this. Hopefully, you're sharing your story can help other people. This is
Definitely,
fantastic.
for sure.
Great.
Yes.
All right. Awesome.
you
Keep
so
in
much.
touch.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.